Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort alphabetically in Excel. Open an Excel sheet then. Let's say I want to sort these names alphabetically. So what I would do is just simply click on any of the cells. Let's say I want to select this cell or put my cursor on it and click on the right button. Go to the sort option and click on sort A to Z. As you can see, it's just sorted as I have wanted to by the names. So this is how you can sort your table or your text as alphabetically. So yep, hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.